Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple smoky eye, and this is a beginners friendly. Like, it is going to be very simple. Okay, so if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe, share with friends, leave a comment right down below. Let me know your thoughts on this look, and also don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. So stay tuned while we go right into this video. So guys, I'll be starting off by priming my lid with the Pro primer. So I'm just going to be applying that to my lid. And then blend that out using my small blending brush. This is a no-name brush, it's just a regular brush, so you can use any blending brush that you have that will just get the job done. So the next thing I'll be doing is to go in with my eyeshadow. So I'll be using this eyeshadow from Debbyluster. This is their nude palette. So I'll be going from light to dark in my crease area. So I'll be using this very color. I'll be using this very shade here. First, I'll be going in with that at my crease. Remember, I said from light to dark, so that's the reason I'm using the lighter shade. First, you want to blend, you want your eyeshadow to look well blended, so you need to go in with a lighter shade first before you go in with any other shade. So the next color I'll be going in with, I'll be using this color right here. This is dark brown, but it's not too dark. This is just to further deepen in my crease color. So I'm still using the same blending brush that I used in applying the first color. So I don't want to use too many blending brush, because I said this is a beginners friendly. So I just want to keep it very simple, so that anybody that is, if you're a beginner, you won't find it too difficult for you to apply your eyeshadow or do a smoky eyes, or rather. So you can go into your eyeshadow palette as many times as possible, depending on how intense you want your crease to look. So the next color I'll be going in with is this one right here. It's still a dark brown, but it's darker than the second color the second shade I used. So I'll be going in to my crease with that, and then I'm bringing it down to my lower lash, to my lash line. I just want to deepen that area a bit. also, and then I'm just blending forward with a light hand. So I don't want to go into the inner corner of my eyes because I don't want that area to be as dark as my inner corner of the eyes. I'll be using this very dark shade here from Nubanbeauty palette. This is in Umbra, so I'll be using this very dark shade here. It's kind of dark, but it's brownish, kind of, not like deep dark. We understand what I mean. So I'll be using that as well on my crease to further deepen it. So I brought down the dark color so down to my lid area just to darken that. I wanted to use that as a liner around my lid, so I'm just going back and forth and in a circular motion just to properly blend out the shade or the color that I've applied. So I'm just bringing that into my crease a bit. I don't want it to be too dark, but I'm just bringing that out, and then I'll be blending the edges using another blending brush just to keep the edges clean, and then I don't want it to look hashy. So I'll be going into this eyeshadow. I'll be using this at my inner corner of the eyes just to open up my eyes. So I'm just patting that in this area. So I'll be going in with the brush, the blending brush I used earlier, just to blend the edges together because I don't want any demarcation. Like I said earlier, this is just simple smoky eye that any beginner, anyone at all can create. It's not difficult at all. So I'm just going in with that brush just to blend the edges together. I don't want any demarcation. So I'll be using the other blending brush to blend the edges. I don't want this area to be as dark as the outer corner of my eyes. So I'll be lining my eyes with the Just Gold liquid eyeliner. I just want to make the eyes look more lifted, and then So what I do, I start at the outer corner of my eyes first. To draw the line, and then I'll connect it. I'm just going to be bringing it down. Then I'm just filling it in.
You saw me back and I feel new, please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too, don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now, and I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away, but not that would happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me all you can. I feel like I'm not awake, I wish you could take me away.
So I'm just trying to smoothen things out of up here. I'm done with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be cleansing my face with the Metics Mascara cleansing water. So I'm just taking off the fallout that I had when I was applying my eyeshadow. So this is basically how I do a simple smoky eyes. I'll be doing the face off camera, and then I'll come back to complete the look for you. I'll be using the same shade I used earlier for my crease to smudge out my lower lash line. Next color I'll be going in with is this brown here. I won't be doing much at my lower lash line. I don't want to bring the concentration to my lower lash line. I want to just leave it up there. So I'm connecting the lower lash line with the one up here. Same thing on this side. Try to look up a bit when you're doing your lower lash line so you can get precisely what you're looking for. I apply my lashes off camera. I use Miss Metics lashes in Cora. So I'll be picking my lower lash using the Zaron lengthening mascara. So I'll be using this to pick my bottom lashes, just to give it length a bit. Not good at applying any stuff in my eyes and then I'm talking at the same time. I don't know if you're good at that. I am not. It makes me feel as if I'm going to put whatever I'm doing in the wrong place. So I always don't like talking when I'm dealing with my eyes. Yeah guys, this is the complete look for this video on how to achieve a simple smoky eyes. So I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you want to see my other video on how to apply eyeshadow for a beginner, I'll be leaving the link right down below, so do check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and do stay stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.
I know